Plant FAQs. Anthurium spectabile. Anthurium spectabile. Unveiling the spectacle of the plant world. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to delve into the fascinating world of Anthurium spectabile. This unique aroid, hailing from Costa Rica's rainforests, boasts not only a dramatic name, but also stunning features that make it a showstopper in any plant collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will unveil the secrets of caring for this remarkable epiphyte. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes Anthurium spectabile special? Size does matter. Unlike its compact Anthurium cousins, Spectabile is a fast grower known for its majestic, elongated leaves. These beauties can unfurl to a staggering 2 meters in length, creating a dramatic cascading effect. Double the drama. Spectabile's leaves don't just grow long. They stand out with their unique rolling pattern. Unlike most Anthuriums where one side rolls inwards, Spectabile folds inwards from both sides, resembling tractor tire tracks. This adds a textural element that complements the plant's overall size. A color story. While Spectabile doesn't boast the vibrant blooms of other Anthuriums, its inflorescence, flower, offers its own charm. The modified leaf surrounding the flower, is a beautiful shade of purple, contrasting nicely with the foliage. The mature inflorescence gives way to bright orange, pointy berries, adding another layer of visual interest. How to care for Anthurium spectabile. Spectabile's magnificence comes with specific care requirements. Here's how to keep your giant happy and healthy. Light matters. Think rainforest floor, not sun-baked desert. Spectabile thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves, causing them to yellow. Water wisely. Strike a balance. Spectabile enjoys consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Err on the side of underwatering rather than overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity haven. Mimic the rainforest's humid environment. A humidifier is ideal, or you can group Spectabile with other humidity-loving plants to create a microclimate. Feeding frenzy. A balanced, diluted fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, will provide the nutrients Spectabile needs to flourish. The potting mix matters. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for orchids or aroids. This allows for proper aeration and prevents waterlogging. Temperature talk. Spectabile thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. A word on pruning. Spectabile's size can be intimidating. Luckily, pruning is an option. You can trim leggy stems to encourage bushier growth. Just make sure to sterilize your pruning tools before cutting to prevent the spread of disease. Anthurium spectabile versus other Anthuriums. Picking your perfect plant. Size showdown. If you crave a compact beauty, Spectabile might not be your best choice. Anthurium andrianum, with its glossy heart-shaped leaves and vibrant blooms, offers a more manageable size. Light lovers. While Spectabile prefers indirect light, Anthurium crystallinum, with its stunning, translucent veins, tolerates lower light conditions better. Flower power. If vibrant blooms are a priority, Anthurium Queen of Spades reigns supreme. Its dark, spade-shaped spathes are a captivating sight. Ultimately, the best Anthurium for you depends on your preferences and living conditions. Spectabile is perfect for those who have the space and desire for a dramatic, statement piece. Anthurium spectabile versus pseudospectabile. Anthurium spectabile bears resemblances to Anthurium pseudospectabile, Croat Ind, found in Panama. However, the latter species differentiates itself through lengthier leaf blades featuring more pronounced undulations along their margins. Additionally, A. pseudospectabile possesses terete petioles and typically thrives within premontane rainforest environments. Common Anthurium spectabile issues. Troubleshooting like a pro. Yellowing leaves. The culprit could be too much direct sun or underwatering. Adjust your watering schedule and provide indirect light. Brown spots. This could indicate fungal disease due to overwatering. Improve drainage and allow the soil to dry more between waterings. Treat with a fungicide if necessary. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking pests can weaken your plant. Isolate the infected Spectabile and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. By understanding these common issues and implementing preventive measures, you can ensure your Spectabile thrives for years to come. Conclusion: embrace the spectacle. Anthurium spectabile is a unique and rewarding plant. Its majestic size, textural leaves, and subtle beauty make it a conversation starter in any home. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving spectabile that will bring you joy for years to come. So, are you ready to embrace the spectacle?